So we discussed about the femoral triangle and its contents, and now today we are going to discuss femoral nerve. The thigh has three compartments: anterior compartment, posterior and medial. Anterior, posterior and medial compartment. So in the introduction, the femoral nerve is the nerve of the anterior compartment of the thigh, anterior or extensor compartment. This anterior compartment is extensor, right? It is extensor of the knee, anterior or extensor compartment of the thigh. Root value. Root value is L2, L3, L4. L2, L3 and L4. Origin. It is the largest branch of the lumbar plexus. Lumbar plexus, largest branch of the lumbar plexus. Now you have studied the brachial plexus. Similarly, there is a lumbar plexus for the lower limb. Now when I say root value L2, L3, L4, that is just minimum, bare minimum. But what you should say is whether ventral divisions or dorsal divisions. Plexus is always formed by the anterior primary rami. Posterior rami don't form plexus. They supply the extensor muscles. So when the anterior ramus, before forming plexus, it divides into divisions, right? Ventral divisions and dorsal divisions. Suppose this is the anterior primary rami, It divides into ventral divisions and dorsal divisions. Ventral divisions always supply the flexors and adductors. Flexors and adductors. Dorsal divisions supply the extensors and abductors. Dorsal division supplies the extensors and abductors. So femoral nerve, what kind of muscle it supplies? Extensors. So dorsal divisions of anterior primary rami of L2, L3, L4. तो इनिशियली हमने खाली बोला L2, L3, L4. वो बोलेंगे तो आप पास हो जाएंगे, बट आपका एनाटॉमी का नॉलेज तभी रिफ्लेक्ट होगा dorsal divisions of anterior primary rami of L2, L3, L4. Why? Because dorsal divisions supply the extensors and abductors. Ventral divisions supply the flexor and adductors. अभी इसके आगे So, as for every nerve, we'll discuss now from the origin, how is the course. Okay? Origin and course. So, origin we have already said, origin is from ventral divisions of anterior primary rami of Dorsal divisions of the anterior primary rami of 2L3, L4. Okay, it arises from the lumbar plexus. Now when it arises from the lumbar plexus, now suppose this is the lumbar spine. On the side of the lumbar spine is a muscle called as psoas major. Side of the lumbar spine is a muscle called as psoas major. वो किधर है वो आ रही? Please, thank you. So on the side of the lumbar spine is psoas major. So this lumbar plexus, it arises from the lumbar plexus. This lumbar plexus nerves, and especially the femoral nerve will lie in the substance of the psoas and then come out and run along its lateral border. So femoral nerve lies in the substance of psoas and then comes along its lateral border. We'll be studying one more nerve called as obturator nerve, which runs along the medial border of psoas major. Psoas major we have already studied. Psoas major muscle is on the sides of the lumbar spine. This is the lumbar spine. Okay. So femoral nerve takes origin from the lumbar plexus, lies in the substance of psoas major. Okay, and then runs along its lateral border. Lateral border of psoas major. It runs along the lateral border of psoas major muscle. Then it enters. Now still it is in the abdomen. You are realizing this course what we talked right now was the course in abdomen. Then it enters the thigh. By passing below the inguinal ligament. All of you remember the inguinal ligament, right? It enters the thigh by passing below the inguinal ligament. So it is lying in the substance of psoas, leaves the psoas, runs along the lateral border of psoas major and enters the thigh. So this course is in abdomen. Now we are talking about the course in the thigh. So enters below the inguinal ligament. And it enters the femoral triangle. Femoral triangle, you remember what were the structures in the femoral triangle from medial to lateral side? Femoral canal, femoral vein, femoral artery, femoral nerve. So in the femoral triangle, it lies lateral to femoral artery. Outside the femoral sheath. I'm going to draw a diagram to show you all of this, and that time I'm going to repeat the course again, so don't worry. Lies outside the femoral sheath. And just after entering the femoral triangle, immediately with a short course of 2 to 3 centimeters only. ओके किधर है हमारा यश? देख रहा है कि नहीं तू? 2 to 3 centimeters inches. हाँ कितना? 2.5 centimeters. ओके सेंटीमीटर ना So with a short course of 2 to 3 centimeters, it divides into anterior and posterior branches. Divides into anterior and posterior branch. Anterior and posterior branch. Which are separated by a artery. Which are separated by artery. The name of that artery is lateral circumflex femoral artery. नाम सुना सुना लग रहा है आपको? हमने अभी तक क्या सुना था? lateral नहीं, anterior and posterior circumflex femoral artery. I'll repeat for those who are not able to see. It divides into anterior and posterior branch, which are separated by lateral circumflex femoral artery. Which are separated by lateral circumflex femoral artery. So again, it is formed from the dorsal divisions of the anterior primi of L2, L3, L4 in the lumbar plexus, lies in the substance of psoas, okay, for some time, then leaves the psoas, इधर लिखना पड़ेगा, leaves the psoas and runs along the lateral border of psoas major. This is the course in the abdomen. Then enters the thigh by passing below the inguinal ligament, enters the femoral triangle, lies lateral to the femoral artery, outside the femoral sheath, okay, runs a short course of 2 to 3 centimeters, divides into anterior and posterior branches, which are separated by lateral circumflex femoral artery. Okay, thank you. Now we'll draw a diagram for this. Nerve कौन सा color? Yellow. So this is L2, L3, L4, and the nerve is being formed. Okay. This is psoas major. Okay, psoas major. So now it is running along the lateral border of psoas major. Okay. Then here, this is inguinal ligament running from anterior superior iliac spine to pubic tubercle. So now it is passing below the inguinal ligament. It is lateral to the femoral artery. Okay. Now this is a schematic diagram. Understand, schematic diagram. Now I am going to show anterior and posterior branch. So आप बोलेंगे अरे ये कौन सा orientation है? Anterior and posterior branch separated by, what is this round? Lateral circumflex femoral artery. Lateral circumflex femoral artery. This lateral circumflex femoral artery is not a branch of femoral, it is a branch of profunda femoris. Which is branch of femoral? Profunda, पहले क्या सुना था हमने? profunda brachii. So now here is profunda femoris और उसका branch है lateral circumflex femoral artery. Stand up. अभी जो बैग दिया ना वो लड़का, बैग किसने दिया अभी? Lateral circumflex femoral artery is a branch of profunda femoris. Profunda femoris is a branch of femoral artery. Sit down. किसको एंटीरियर बोलेंगे, हमको जस्ट दिखाना, बोलो ऐसे ही, चलो इसको एंटीरियर बोलते, इसको पोस्टीरियर बोलते. This is for convenience. I cannot show anterior coming out like this, for convenience. Now anterior division supplies only one muscle, and that muscle is sartorius, and remaining two branches are cutaneous. So it gives all cutaneous branches. Anterior division gives all cutaneous branches and one muscular. Muscular branch is supplying sartorius, and the cutaneous branches are anterior cutaneous nerve of thigh and intermediate cutaneous nerve of thigh. So दो cutaneous branches हैं, anterior cutaneous nerve of thigh and intermediate cutaneous nerve of thigh. Clear? Now let's talk about the posterior branch. Posterior branch gives all muscular branches and one cutaneous. Anterior was giving all cutaneous and one muscular. So it gives only one cutaneous branch. हमने एक वेन स्टडी किया था, कौन सा वेन था वो? ग्रेट सैफेनस वेन लास्ट टाइम. ग्रेट सैफेनस तो मतलब एक स्मॉल सैफेनस भी होता है. नाउ द नर्व का जो नाम है क्यूटेनियस ब्रांच फ्रॉम द पोस्टीरियर डिवीजन ऑफ द फीमोरल नर्व, द नेम इज सैफेनस नर्व. द नेम इज सैफेनस नर्व. ग्रेट नहीं, खाली सैफेनस, सैफेनस नर्व. सैफेनस नर्व, SAPHENOUS, सैफेनस नर्व. This saphenous nerve अभी supplies skin of on the medial side of the shin. Okay, it supplies skin over here. मतलब सोचो cutaneous branch starting from here supplying skin right up to the great toe. So it is the longest cutaneous nerve in the body. Saphenous nerve, longest cutaneous nerve in the body, branch of posterior division of femoral nerve. Branch of the posterior division of femoral nerve. Clear? And then remaining branches are muscular, supplying rectus femoris, vastus medialis, vastus intermedialis, vastus lateralis, rectus femoris. हमारे quadriceps रे, इतना क्या दिमाग का दही कर रहे. rectus femoris, vastus medialis, vastus intermedialis, vastus lateralis. Vastus intermedialis, vastus lateralis. Now to rectus femoris also supplies hip joint, and now to vastus medialis also supplies knee joint. Now to rectus femoris also supplies hip joint. Now to vastus medialis also supplies the knee joint. Is it clear? Saphenous nerve is a cutaneous nerve, longest cutaneous nerve in the body. It takes origin from here, goes down, doesn't supply anything in the thigh, and supplies the skin on the medial side of the leg. Leg मतलब ये होता है between knee and ankle is leg, and even the medial border of the foot up to the great toe. Up to the great toe, not the great toe itself, but up to the ball of the great toe. तो सोचो यहाँ पे ओरिजिन है और स्किन यहाँ तक सप्लाई कर रही है. इसके लिए लॉन्गेस्ट क्यूटेनियस नर्व, सैफेनस नर्व इज अ क्यूटेनियस नर्व. ओ बट ये सब मैंने बताया, बट हमारा फॉर्मूला क्या था ब्रांचेस के लिए? ब्रांचेस ऑफ एनी नर्व, व्हाट वाज आवर फॉर्मूला? मैक वी. मैक डी किसने बोला? मैक वी ना, विवेक. So muscular from anterior division, muscular from posterior division. What are the muscular from anterior division? Sartorius. From posterior division, rectus femoris, vastus medialis, vastus intermedialis, vastus lateralis. Articular branches anterior division से कुछ नहीं है, posterior division से ही है. Now to rectus femoris also supplies which joint? Now to vastus medialis also supplies which joint? ऐसा क्यों? ऐसा क्यों? Because the three vasti, vastus intermedialis, medialis, lateralis, their origin is from the femur. They don't cross the hip joint, so they don't have action on hip joint. So the nerve supplying the vasti will supply the knee joint. But rectus femoris takes origin from the anterior inferior iliac spine. It also crosses hip joint as well as it crosses the knee joint. और उसका एक्शन मैंने आपको बताया था क्या है? किकिंग. So kicking में it causes flexion at hip, extension at knee. Therefore, now to rectus femoris supplies the hip joint also, because rectus femoris crosses the hip joint. And now supplying the muscle crossing the joint also supplies the joint. Hilton's law ना, कौन सा लॉ है वो? What is that law? सिखाया आपको जनरल एनाटॉमी में. ओके, क्यूटेनियस एंटीरियर डिवीजन से कौन सा, पोस्टीरियर से कौन से? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? हाँ, बोलो किरण, बोलो. हाँ, एंटीरियर ब्रांच डिवीजन से कौन से क्यूटेनियस ब्रांचेस आते हैं फीमोरल नर्व? एंटीरियर क्यूटेनियस नर्व ऑफ थाई, इंटरमीडिएट क्यूटेनियस नर्व ऑफ थाई. यानी पोस्टीरियर डिवीजन से उसको बोलना था. किरण, तुम्हें डर नहीं लगता किरण? पोस्टीरियर डिवीजन से कौन सा क्यूटेनियस ब्रांच है? सैफेनस. सैफेनस नर्व. क्लियर? अब दो समझ रहे हैं? vascular branches to femoral artery. Vascular branches to femoral artery. Vascular branches इतना बाहर नहीं करने का, आजू बाजू में कौन सा आर्टरी है नाम? femoral artery and its branches. हाँ, एक तो तू लेट आया था, तू मेरे को तू ओवरटेक कर. 3 Idiots देखा ना, वीरू सहस्त्र बुद्धे को टॉलरेट नहीं होता है कोई ओवरटेक करता. मैं जब स्टेयरकेस चढ़ता हूं ना, कोई मेरे को ओवरटेक नहीं करेगा, पहले बोलता हूं. I'll repeat here first. This is the femoral nerve formed by the L2, L3, L4, lies in substance of psoas, runs along the lateral border of psoas, enters the thigh by passing below the inguinal ligament. In the femoral triangle, it lies lateral to the femoral artery, outside the femoral sheet. Femoral sheet, उसका रीजन है why it lies, because femoral sheet is formed by fascia iliaca, और ये उसके भी पीछे रहता है. ये because this is coming from the vertebral column. See, femoral artery is coming from anterior aspect. This is nerve is coming from behind, so therefore it lies even behind the femoral sheet. Okay, and after a course of 2 to 3 centimeters. ना सब रिपीट करने का, ठीक। सत्यनारायण को पूजा अटेंड किया है तूने कभी? नहीं। Then it enters the femoral triangle and then it divides into anterior division and posterior division. Anterior division supplies the arteries and anterior cutaneous nerve of the and intermediate cutaneous nerve. पानी सोडा. Posterior division supplies rectus femoris, vastus medialis, vastus intermedialis, vastus lateral. Okay, coming to the branches. Muscular divisions of the anterior division एक muscular कौन सा? Posterior division से बाकी quadriceps. रेक्टस फेमोरिस एंड 3 वास्ट है. क्यूटेनियस ये क्या है? आर्टिकुलर. नाउ टू रेक्टस फेमोरिस सप्लाइज. ऐसा क्यों? बिकॉज रेक्टस फेमोरिस क्रॉसेस हिप जॉइंट. नाउ टू वास्टस मीडियलिस सप्लाइज क्यूटेनियस एंटीरियर डिवीजन एंड इंटरमीडिएट क्यूटेनियस. पोस्टीरियर से सैफेनस. ओके, सैफेनस नो पोस्टीरियर डिवीजन. हाँ, वैस्कुलर वाला फीमोरल आर्टरी. आजू बाजू में जो फीमोरल आर्टरी applied में डैमेज happens during injuries. Injuries can be anything, accidents, then by some violent knife वगैरह लगा. So what happens? The extension of the knee is lost, effect of the damage, because quadriceps are supplied by femoral. The extension of the knee will be lost and flexion of the knee becomes poor because रुको flexion of the hip becomes poor. ऐसा क्यों? बिकॉज मैंने कुछ आपको बताया नहीं, थोड़ा सा. नहीं, मैं आपको कुछ बताने को भूल गया. यहाँ पे बिफोर जरा चुक करो ना, आज किया नहीं आपने तो मेरे को. हाँ, बिफोर इट एंटर्स इट गिव्स 2 ब्रांचेस. one supplying iliacus and other supplying pectineus. One supplying iliacus and other supplying pectineus. याद है ना हमारे 4 मसल्स फॉर्मिंग द फ्लोर ऑफ द फीमोरल ट्रायंगल. ये 4 लड़कियां खड़ी हो जाओ. हाँ, आप ही 4 बैठे उधर. आप भी अभी दुश्मन के एरिया में घुस रहे, चलो खड़े हो जाओ. हाँ, खड़े हो जाओ. What are the 4 muscles forming the floor of the femoral triangle? एक जन एक मसल का नाम बोल. From medial to lateral side. Adductor longus. बोल तू. Adductor longus, then pectineus, then psoas major and iliacus. तो उसमें से iliacus and pectineus is supplied by femoral. अभी बचा सवाल adductor longus. It is in the medial compartment. Adductor compartment is medial compartment. So it has its own nerve. Psoas major फीमोरल ना उसमें से पास होती है, बट उसको सप्लाई नहीं करती. हाँ, नहीं करती. वो फ्रेंड जोन जैसा होता है उसका. बाबा हम दोस्त है, बस दोस्ती से ज्यादा कुछ नहीं. मैं तेरे को छोड़ के चले गए उसको बेचारे को. श्वास में जरा ऐसे ही देखते रहेंगे. मेरी जिंदगी में आई और चली गई फीमोरल. तो ऐसे हमारे बॉडी में भी होता है, तो जिंदगी का क्या है. ओके, तो श्वास मेजर इज डायरेक्टली सप्लाइड बाय द नर्व रूट्स फ्रॉम द लंबार नर्व रूट. सो डोंट दिस श्वास मेजर एंड इलियाकस, दे आर द फ्लेक्सर्स ऑफ द नी. इसके लिए knee flexors of the hip. The flexion of the hip is not completely lost because psoas major, in spite of the femoral nerve damage, the psoas major will contract. Iliacus is not there. Psoas major, iliacus, they cause flexion at the hip. They are inserted on the lesser trochanter. Tubercle सुना था आपने, वैसे trochanter. Okay. So iliacus and pectineus. So muscular branches में you have to add iliacus and pectineus from the main trunk. Muscular branches from the anterior division देखा, posterior division देखा. but from the main trunk, iliacus and pectineus, before it enters the thigh, आपने ये प्रॉब्लम देखा रहेगा इवन अपर लिम में, मीडियन नर्व आर्म में थोड़ा सा दिया है, एक्जिला में थोड़ा सा दिया है, फिर फोर आर्म में अलग दिया है, हैंड में अलग दिया है. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई टेक द एंटायर थिंग. इसमें भी ना, दिस कोर्स इज रिटन इन योर एब्डोमेन सेक्शन, दिस कोर्स इज रिटन इन द लोअर लिम सेक्शन. तो मैं बैठ के दोनों करके ये ब्रांचेस, देयरफॉर दिस ब्रांचेस आर मिस्ड आउट, पेक्टिनियस एंड इलियकस.